So
So,
we are now.
well,
Speak.
por que você está fazendo isso?
Fala alguma coisa.
Alguma coisa.
So what's the name of this? It's a train or what?
Train.
So we are.
Não, trem. Bondinho.
We are in the bondinho going to our house at the beach, and I'm going to show you all the everything is adventure, yeah.
Pay attention. Oh, pay attention. No.
Where?
Walking.
No, walking? Like walking?
Walking.
Okay. So what do you think about?
More.
What do you think about Itahaém? What do you Itahaém? What do you think about this city?
Outside São Paulo.
Okay. And this lady, what do you think?
What?
What do you think about the beach Itahaém?
I don't like here the place.
This lane is a little bit complicated, and you can see from her reaction. Well, I'm gonna stop right now. Happy New Year, everybody watching on the E4 recording for your for seeing this thing. And this is our conductor. I mean, I'm gonna give my one.